Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report for September 23rd through September 29th, 2019. Today is the equinox. Happy equinox to everyone. This is a very powerful manifesting portal. So make sure to tune into the energy today and harness this energy. It is here for you to use to propel you forward rapidly to quantum leap into the next level of your dreams and goals. As we've been talking about all month, the energy of the equinox is all about balance and alignment, getting you into alignment with your goals, getting you into alignment and balance with the energy of giving and receiving. And that's also the same energy as action and surrender. So it's really important this week to look at where are you pushing or forcing things, where are you kind of trying too hard to make your goals happen. That is not the energy of flow. You need to be in flow to attract your goals to you, to magnetize your next level to you. And this equinox is bringing up some deep stuff for healing and clearing. So you may be feeling some anxiety around your goals. You may be feeling some fear, worry, doubt, or stress around your goals. Just take a look at that and shift that energy and get back into a state of receiving. So you can be taking action, but you also need to create the space for the universe to create miracles for you, for the magic to happen, for the synchronicities to happen, to magnetize your goals and dreams. When you are pushing or forcing or trying too hard, you're actually pushing away your goals. You're pushing abundance away. When you are in balance of taking action and then also stepping back to receive and allow the magic to happen, that's when you are a powerful magnet for all that you desire. Remember that you can create anything that your heart desires. So make the most of this equinox energy. Set clear intentions for what you desire to create for your life, for the shorter term and also for the longer term. This equinox is really helping us to achieve our 2019 goals, to maximize the rest of the time that we have for this year to achieve those big goals and dreams. Okay, that's the overview for this week. So now we're going to get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and choose any combination of those numbers and let me know what number you chose below. If you chose number 1, this message is harmonizing all the parts of yourself. So this is about bringing together all the various aspects of yourself, all your various identities and roles, all the things you feel passionate about. You might have multiple passions like me. I'm an artist. I'm also have a PhD. I'm also a healer. I'm also a teacher. I'm also a mother. I'm also a wife. I'm also an entrepreneur. I'm also a daughter, I'm also a sister, all that kind of stuff. This is about really melding all those parts of yourself together, but not melding them together as in we're erasing the different identities. It's bringing them together like a harmony. So each of them has its own place. Each of them has its own layer. But if you are not fully bringing all those parts of yourself together, if you're not fully expressing your truth, if there are parts of you that you are hiding, if there are parts of you that you are shutting off for fear of expressing them, if there are parts of you that you are not fully honoring because you're afraid to show that part of you, or you're giving so much as a mother that you're then ignoring your truth as an artist or an entrepreneur or whatever it is that you desire to express with your creativity and your gifts, the universe and the angels want you to know that it's okay to have all these different passions. It's okay. You do not have to box yourself in. You get to express all these parts of yourself, and your soul doesn't feel fully fulfilled until all the parts of you get to be expressed and integrated and accepted. And you're going to feel so much more whole and fulfilled and free. So call upon the universe to help you to do this. Call upon the equinox energy to help you to do this and bring all these different aspects of yourself into balance. So those were the messages for number 1. If you chose number 1, let me know, and let me know how the messages resonated with you. If you chose number 2, the message for you is shaking things up and blowing the cobwebs off. So that's what the energy right now is doing for you. It's really kind of like a whirlwind coming through like this and dusting things off, getting rid of the stagnant energy, blowing the cobwebs off, stirring things up a bit. It may feel a little bit ungrounding. It may feel like all of a sudden you're thrown off kilter slightly. It may feel like you're being thrown off balance, but ultimately this is to bring you into balance and bring you into alignment. This is all about releasing what's no longer serving you, getting rid of the stuck, stagnant, heavy energy that's been holding you back. And it might feel a bit chaotic at first. It might feel like a whirlwind at first. But as this integrates, as this grounds, it's actually going to help you so much. It's going to bring a new vibrance, a new momentum. The momentum is going to be picking up hugely for you after the equinox energy integrates. This is a really powerful time for you to really take time to get grounded and centered and just allow this energy that might feel chaotic, this whirlwind of energy, to just swirl all around you and let it do what it needs to do. Again, this is not about pushing or forcing things to try and force things to be released or try and force things to happen. The universe has got you. The universe knows what to do. This energy knows what to do that's coming through. So if you stay grounded, you stay centered, you stay steadfast on your highest vision, allow things to be shaken up that need to be shaken up, let the dust settle, and the clarity is going to come, and that momentum is going to pick up hugely for you. And it'll be like a fuel injection, like somebody just fueled up your tank and you're raring to go. So those are the messages for number 2. If you chose number 2, let me know in the comments below and let me know how they resonated with you. If you chose number 3, your message is it's time to make your mark on this world. This is all about making your mark, putting your stamp on things, and really shining your light boldly and proudly. It's time to stop playing small, to stop hiding in the shadows, to stop worrying about what other people think of you, to stop letting any fear-based energy prevent you from expressing your truth, from going after your biggest vision. This is about really tuning into what you desire and dreaming bigger than you've ever dreamed before, and knowing that you get to have this. It's also about fully committing to this next level goal and to your ideal life, the bigger vision that you have for your life and for yourself. You wouldn't have been given these dreams, these visions of the life that you desire if you couldn't achieve them. They're there for a reason, and it's time to stop holding yourself back, to stop worrying about if it seems too crazy, too weird, if you're good enough, if you're smart enough, if you're too old, if you're too young, if you're not spiritual enough, if you're too spiritual, if you seem to this, if you seem to that to other people. It's time to really be bold and show the world what you've got and put your mark on this planet through shining your light and showing us all your truth, your wisdom, your beauty in a way that you've never done before. Expressing your creative voice, expressing your unique voice boldly, confidently. It might feel a bit uncomfortable at first. It might feel a bit scary at first, but the more that you do this, the more free you're going to feel, the more fulfilled you're going to be on a soul level, which is going to filter through your entire life, and that's going to make you a magnet for these bigger dreams and goals, and it's going to make you a magnet for abundance in all forms, a magnet for success. Remember, the universe has got you, the angels have got you. You can do this, and the equinox energy is fully supporting you in this. So those are the messages for number 3. If you chose number 3, let me know in the comments below and how the messages resonated with you. And if you haven't already downloaded your free gifts for manifesting abundance, go ahead and do that. The links are below. Wishing you all an amazing, blessed equinox. I'll see you guys very soon.